All right, back here on Curt's 58 Ford. He was out for... Hey, Bernsey.
Love you.
Bite me.
Where do you want me to bite you?
Ooh, Daddy. Ooh, come here.
Hey! You can't get raised. Hey!
Anyway.
Don't get scared now.
Anyway.
Let's talk. There you are scared.
So, Curt was out for a drive on Friday. And so Curt was out for a drive on Friday. I'm trying to shoot video. And he had another incident where it flooded. Hey, Bernsey.
Found a little piece in the
He found a little piece in the needle and seat, just like what we found earlier.
Where are you going?
What was it earlier? Like when it was here. Remember, if you guys remember the videos before. So, I'm going to pull needle and seats out. I'm going to clean everything. Also, the fuel pressure gauge, it was inoperable. So, we've already warrantied that out. New one's there. I'm going to put that in after I clean this. I'm going to undo the line at the pump here. Backflow it, clean it out. Make sure we're clean. And we're going to put a filter in on the inlet side. Make sure that's clean.
What was the thing that was smoking? I noticed you guys were playing with like a...
Oh, we were talking about it?
Yeah.
You know how when you run the engine,
yeah.
you know how like it has the vapor in here, the smoky, steamy? It was actually coming out here from under the tape, so it looked like it was an electrical issue. But this is a mechanical capillary tube for the gauge. And then this is just a piece of hardline shit for the vacuum line. And this was just on there with a shitty hose clamp, so it's... had a slight vacuum leak.
And of course they put a little electrical tape over it too.
Yeah.
Make it look like they did something.
Yeah, so I'm going to pull this out at the other end and probably run a hose all the way.
That would make sense.
And that'll probably get rid of a vacuum leak. We might actually gain a little bit of vacuum. It might actually run even better.
I mean, this truck runs pretty damn good.
Yeah, so I'm going to pull that out, clean that, do this, and then Curt can come get it probably after lunchtime. So, got our line off here on our outlet. We're going to backflow this baby. Get her cleaned out. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Yeah. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Get that done. Then we'll put a filter in on the other side. We have a nice filter coming, but this is just going to be a temporary. Put this back together. And then I got to do that vacuum line as well. Got our filter in. This will be mucho better keeping schmutz out of the carb. Now I'm going to do our vacuum line. I'm going to fire this up, test drive it, and have Curt come get it. Go to the dash. This is the one for the vacuum. Of course, somebody was an idiot because it's a compression fitting with a ferrule. So let's put Teflon tape. Oh, stupid people. All right, got some couplers here. Ran ourselves a nice rubber vacuum line all the way in. Done deal. Nice and tidy there. Nice and tidy under there. I just gotta cut this to the length I need it. And bloop onto my nipple here, and we are done. All right, we're gonna fire this baby up, see if our gauge works. It's gonna have to. Adjust it. All good. Happy camper.